Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related videos. I do have a wee helper here. Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm just back from work. It still feels so strange saying work instead of placement, but on the way home I went to the post office and I picked up my Unicorn Cosmetics mystery box. Now this tried to come yesterday, I wasn't in, so that's why I bought it today. And this is it here. It's a bit wet, it's pouring with rain outside. I did get a couple of pairs of lashes as well just to make up the postage, because whoever wants to pay postage. So I'll just show you what styles I picked up as well. And if this box is still available, then I will link it down below. Get it. So let's just get on into it. I'm really excited about this one. I believe it was promised that there was like, how many new products? Like 5 new products. I know that there's an eyeshadow palette in here, but I don't know what else. And this is what it comes in. This beautiful, they say it's like a PR box, but it's this kind of beautiful kind of themed box. I'm assuming that's what the theme of the palette is going to be. So I wasn't filming there. I assume the palette's going to be themed. I assume that the lashes that I ordered are in this box as well. I will double check that probably after, because I'm filming on my phone. I've not set up my camera and stuff. But let's just get on in it and see what we have in this mystery box. Now I have seen unboxings of previous mystery boxes and I don't think any of them have been that great. I've actually got quite high hopes for this one. So yeah, a wee sneak peek. Look at these packing cubes. How cute are they? Packing noodles, whatever you call them. So first of all, you get a sticker sheet, which is, I mean, I'm 36, I don't use stickers, but I suppose that is cute. And I wonder if there's like any way to put them like onto the palette or something. So, right, oh, this is cute. So these are the two.
Mom.
Yep, wait a minute. So these are the 2 lashes that I ordered. So I love Unicorn Cosmetics lashes. I actually need to do a bigger order because I do get pro discount. So these ones are the Insta Famous ranges. And we have Blaze, which are really pretty. They're my favourite. And then these ones are called Dreamer. I would say that they're not too different, but Dreamer are maybe just a bit more kind of clustered and kind of natural. So those were the 2 ones I got. Like I said, I do get a pro discount on them, so they are a really good price. And then how cute is this? So this is a wee headband. It says 99% angel on this side. So this is quite cute. These kind of hairbands, they're so handy for doing like your skincare and your makeup and stuff, aren't they? So yeah, I can never have too many of these because they do get dirty with makeup and they are handy to have. And then the next item, which I'll probably put in a giveaway, is these, if you can even see them, eyelash curlers. Now, I have got like no eyelashes, so I don't even bother curling them because I don't think there's any point. But I suppose it is quite a nice thing for them to include because everyone can get use out of them except me. Then next we have this, and I'm assuming this is a wee pressed pigment or glitter. And this is called Glitchin' Chameleon Skin. Chameleon Skin. It doesn't sound like glitter, does it? Chameleon Skin. Toxic Brat. Maybe this is a highlighter. But honestly, I would probably use that as a pigment. That's off iridescent. Yeah, oh, am I just being thick, right? It probably just means like chameleon skin, like that's what a chameleon's skin would look like. So I think my light's too bright to even really focus on that, but that is a kind of really pretty, really iridescent. You can see all the colours on the rim of that there. Green and lilac and purple. I'm really excited to use that. I love the Pastel Roses chameleon flakes. So I'm quite excited to have one from Unicorn Cosmetics. I don't think they've done these before. I know they do pressed pigments, and I must say I do appreciate that the name is actually on the lid, because our previous pigments, the name was kind of round the side and it was a wee bit annoying. And then next we have a cat's just jumped on my table, it's wobbling. For Real wet liner. Right, this is new. they don't have water activated liners, so I wonder if these new things, whether they're going to come out with more colours and stuff, or whether it's just specific to this collection. But oh, this is fab. Look at this. I mean, packaging is pretty cheap and cheerful, but look at that. You've got a blue, a pink, this kind of grey colour, and a black and white. So I wonder if this kind of reflects the colours that are in that palette. That's quite exciting. I will do a video testing all this out. I'll probably film that on Friday because I am off work. And I will have some time while I'm waiting for Adrian's Christmas to come. Next thing we have got the Super Lift and Hold Brow Band, Bare Brows. This isn't, well, it is new. It's not brand new, but it is new. But I have been wanting to try this, so I'm really glad that they've included it. And this is what it looks like. So it's just one of these kind of jelly, kind of brow, like, see? Kind of like the P. Louise one. I'm really excited to have that actually.
Mom!
It's one of the things I wanted to try, but
Mom!
What?
I want the first one.
Yeah?
I want the first one.
Right, go and ask Daddy. Or go and bring them here. And you do get this wee kind of eyebrow brush as well. I mean, who's actually got to use that? But it is nice that they included it. And then there's, honestly, this is good value for money. These absolutely stunning lashes. Look at them. Sorry that light's reflecting, but how pretty are they? They are absolutely beautiful. I really like them. They're not, although they're thick and dramatic, they're not too long. They're fab. And then another pair of lashes. Now these look more like 3/4 length ones. And these are like that. I will say that this kind of inner part looks quite long, but you can just trim that. And these look like a nice size. I always need to trim lashes because I have got small eyes, so they're beautiful as well. They're really cool. And then last but not least is, I think it's last but not least, is the palette. And this is what the packaging looks like. It is called Pink All Sorts. Okay, friend, I'm assuming there's going to be pink shades in here. Okay, it's just playing with these, like, why not? And this is what the inside the palette looks like. So it is 9 matte colours. I think, is this the shimmer? No, that's the shimmer. A beautiful jewel chrome shimmer. Right, I think I'll need to check one of the swatches in the video. Wait a minute, let's just swatch a couple. Right, okay. They swatched really nicely. Look at that. And look at that kind of shimmery, kind of blue to pink shift. That is beautiful, and that's quite a good colour because I reckon you could use that colour with like all of these colours, and it's quite a versatile wee palette because you've got your cool tone neutrals, then you've got your black, and you've got your kind of grey, and then you've got your kind of pinks that you can blend. Like, it's actually quite a nice wee palette, and it's got this cool embossing on it, if you can see that. I really like that. I will test all this stuff out in a video on Friday, and I'm hoping it performs well because that is actually quite a cute wee palette, and I don't think I've got anything quite like it. So yeah, I believe the box was maybe about £30. I think that it is well worth it. Like, I'm really quite happy with what was inside that. So let me know what you think. Like I said, so hopefully it's still available because I will link it down below if it is. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. I promise in my next video I will put some makeup on and look a bit more presentable. And yeah, remember to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.